92% of small computer repair shops close within their first 3 years, and almost every single one of them fails for the same reason. Not bad repair skills. Bad advertising. Today I'm going to show you exactly how much it actually costs to advertise a computer repair business, what actually works, what's a complete waste of money, and how a realistic shop goes from 0 customers to fully booked. Some techs in this space make $4,000 a month. Others make $15,000. The difference isn't skill. It's marketing. Let's get into it. This video is for people who already know how to fix computers or are learning fast and want to turn that into a real, sustainable local business. It's for side hustlers doing repairs on weekends and for people ready to open a small shop or run a mobile repair service. It is not for someone who thinks posting one Facebook ad will make the phone ring non-stop. If you're not willing to be consistent for at least 90 days, this isn't for you yet. So what exactly is this business? A computer repair business fixes hardware and software problems, broken screens, slow laptops, virus removal, data recovery, upgrades, for individuals and small businesses. Some technicians work from home, some rent a small storefront, some run fully mobile, driving to the customer. The money comes from 3 places: one-time repair jobs, ongoing IT support contracts with small businesses, and add-on sales like upgrades, parts, and accessories. The advertising side is what turns a skill into a business, because nobody knows you exist until you tell them. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where most people either get excited for the wrong reasons or scared for the wrong reasons. According to IBIS World Industry Data, the electronic and computer repair services market in the U.S. was valued at around $21 billion in 2024, and the market size is estimated at $21.0 billion in 2025. Here's the part most YouTube videos won't tell you. That market has actually been shrinking slightly, at about a negative 0.9% yearly rate between 2019 and 2024. And the number of businesses in this space is also dropping. There were roughly 36,730 computer repair businesses in the U.S. as of 2024, down 3.5% from the year before, and about 35,361 in 2025. Why does this matter for advertising? Because this is not a booming gold rush industry. It's a mature, competitive market where big players and manufacturers absorb some repair work in-house. Which means, generic advertising doesn't cut it. You win with sharp targeting, not spray-and-pray ads. That's actually good news for a small operator, because it means you don't need a massive budget, you need a smart one. IBIS World +3. Let's break down what it actually costs to start advertising, in dollars. Category low-end cost basic tools/equipment, already assumed you have repair tools, $0, $150 business license and basic LLC registration $50, $400 Google Business Profile setup, signage, business cards $50, $150 simple website and booking system $150, $500, one-time, initial marketing budget, first 60 days, $200, $600 miscellaneous, design, printing, local permits, $50, $150 total minimum investment $500, $800. Here's exactly where that money goes. The license and registration money keeps you legal and lets you open a business bank account, which matters the moment you start collecting payments. The Google Business Profile and signage are non-negotiable because most computer repair customers search "computer repair near me" before they call anyone. A profile with reviews and photos is often the deciding factor over a website. The website and booking system exist so people can see your pricing and book you without a phone call, which increases conversions especially with younger customers. The marketing budget is what actually gets eyes on you in the first place. This covers local search ads, a few boosted social posts, and possibly local flyers or partnerships with small businesses. Monthly, once you're running, expect to spend somewhere between $150 and $500 on ongoing advertising. This includes Google local ads, occasional social media boosts, and maintaining your website or booking tool. Add another $20 to $50 a month for basic software or booking tool subscriptions if you're using one. Now, income potential, and I'll be blunt here, because most videos exaggerate this badly. A conservative estimate for a solo operator working part-time, doing maybe 15 to 20 jobs a month at an average ticket of $80 to $120, lands around $1,500 to $2,000 a month. A realistic full-time estimate, once you have consistent local visibility and maybe 1 or 2 small business IT contracts, is $3,500 to $6,000 a month. An optimistic scenario, strong reviews, referral pipeline, maybe a small team, can push $8,000 to $15,000 a month, but that typically takes 12 to 18 months of consistent work, not weeks. Profit margins in this business typically run 40 to 60% once you're past the initial setup costs, since your main ongoing expense is your time and small parts costs. Break even, for most people starting with a minimum investment range, happens within the first 1 to 3 months, simply because the startup cost is low relative to even a modest number of repair jobs. The biggest mistakes people make, relying only on word of mouth and never actually claiming or optimizing their Google business profile. Spending on generic Facebook ads with no clear local targeting. Not asking happy customers for reviews immediately after the job. Timing matters enormously here. And pricing so low to compete that they can't reinvest in advertising at all. Now, market gaps. Most repair shops target everyone. The smart move is picking a specific underserved niche, small business IT support contracts, senior citizen tech help, an audience big shops ignore, or gaming PC repair and builds, which has strong demand and less local competition. Differentiation isn't about being cheaper. It's about being the obvious specialist for one specific group. Here's how to actually start. Step 1. Set up your Google business profile completely, with real photos and your service area. Step 2. Get a simple, clean website with clear pricing and an online booking option. This alone increases trust dramatically. Step 3. Run a small, targeted local ads campaign for 2 to 4 weeks and track which ads bring calls. Step 4. Partner with 2 or 3 local small businesses, offices, print shops, real estate agents, who need occasional IT help. Step 5. Systematically ask every satisfied customer for a review within 24 hours of the job. On tools. Since your booking system and website are actually the backbone of your advertising, this is one part worth doing right the first time instead of patching together free tools that don't talk to each other. A basic booking system, a clean mobile-friendly website, and simple CRM to track repeat customers and follow-ups will directly increase how many of your ad clicks turn into paid jobs. If you want this built properly without spending weeks figuring it out yourself, SoftAngles builds websites, CRMs, and booking systems specifically for local service businesses like this. You can book a free consultation and get a cost estimate, and the link is in the description. For marketing strategy, online, focus on Google Business Profile, local search ads, and short before and after repair videos on social media. These perform very well because people love visual proof. Offline, business cards left at local offices, partnerships with electronics retailers, and simple yard or window signage still work in this industry. On a low budget, prioritize the free Google Business Profile and organic social content before paying for ads. To scale, once you have consistent 5-star reviews, shift budget toward retargeting ads and expand into small business IT contracts, which pay more per client and recur monthly. The challenges here are real. A shrinking overall market means you must outmarket competitors, not just out-repair them. Seasonal dips happen, especially mid-summer. And larger retailers with repair counters compete on convenience, so your advertising has to sell trust and speed, not just price. Do. Track every advertising dollar back to a booked job. Do. Ask for reviews immediately. Don't. Copy generic ad templates without localizing them. Don't. Ignore your Google Business Profile in favor of social media alone. So, final verdict, is this worth starting? Yes, if you already have solid repair skills and you're willing to treat advertising as seriously as the repairs themselves. It's a low investment, fast break-even business with real, if modest, income potential. It is not worth starting if you're expecting rapid growth in a booming market. This is a mature, competitive space where consistency and smart targeting beat hype every time. If this helped you see computer repair advertising clearly, subscribe for more breakdowns like this one. And if you want help actually building the website, booking system, or CRM this business needs to convert your advertising into paid jobs, book a free consultation with SoftAngles. The link is in the description below.